In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively stop the auto-reply feature in Gmail. Now, whether you're looking to regain manual control or simply want to ensure that your emails aren't automatically answered without your supervision, this guide is here to help you step through the process seamlessly. To begin, you'll first need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Gmail website. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you wish to disable the auto-reply feature. If you're managing multiple accounts, double-check that you've selected the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a small gear icon representing the settings. Click on this gear icon to open a drop-down menu, and from this menu, select the option labeled See All Settings. This will direct you to a new page populated with various tabs on settings customization. Next, locate the tab labeled General. Click on it, and you'll find yourself amidst a comprehensive array of settings that dictate how Gmail behaves and appears. Scroll through this tab until you reach the Vacation Responder section. This might take a moment since the General tab is quite detailed, but patience is key here. The Vacation Responder section is where the magic happens. If the auto-reply feature is currently active, you will see a tick mark next to the Vacation Responder On option. To stop the auto-reply, simply click on the Vacation Responder Off radio button. This action ensures that while you're away, your Gmail won't automatically reply to incoming emails, offering you more control over your communication. It's important to remember to scroll to the bottom of this settings page once you've made your desired changes. Locate the Save Changes button and click on it. This step is crucial because any modifications made to settings in Gmail need to be saved for them to take effect. You should see a confirmation that your settings have been updated. And there you have it. Your Gmail account is now set to stop sending automatic replies. This small adjustment can be particularly useful in maintaining the professionalism of your communication, ensuring that messages aren't sent without your explicit consent. If you ever find yourself needing to reactivate the auto-reply, just revisit the same section in your settings and choose the appropriate options for your needs. Consider revisiting your settings from time to adapt them based on your evolving requirements. By keeping everything updated, you can make sure that your Gmail is optimally tailored to assist in your daily communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips.